Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be my unboxing and review of the AirTag. I kind of like the sound of AirTags better, but Apple decided to go with AirTag. And if you guys don't know what the AirTag is, it's essentially an item tracker that Apple made to track down lost devices while using the Apple ecosystem to do so. It's very similar to Tile, except this is going to be an amazing product if you're someone who's already invested into the Apple ecosystem. But anyways, you can pick this up for $30 in the United States and $40 in Canada. They do come in a 4-pack as well if you do need to buy multiple AirTags. And I'm pretty excited to use the AirTag. Now, I don't really lose a lot of my stuff, but it's going to be nice to know that if I ever do, I'm going to have this guy here to save me. And quickly, before we start the actual unboxing, I just want to say this is the box that the AirTag came in, and this is the size of the AirTag. The box is very, very big for something so small. But anyways, let's go ahead and unbox it. Alright, so here it is. Super simple packaging here. Just says AirTag, and then you got a picture of it right here. The classic pull tab here. Okay, let's do this. I'm pretty excited. I've been wanting to pick up the AirTags for a long time now, and they're finally here. But anyways, got a little bit of paperwork here. And now for the moment we've all been waiting for. Oh, baby, that looks pretty good. I'm not gonna lie. Let's take it out here. Wow. I just really like the look of them. You know, they're really simple, but they look really, really nice at the same time. Let's see. Oh, man, that is shiny. I like that a lot. Let's see. This might be satisfying for some people. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Oh, my goodness. That is gorgeous. It's definitely going to collect fingerprints, that's for sure. I almost want to get a clear case for this, like a lanyard kind of thing, to hang it off of my bag, because I want to be able to see this. A lot of them cover up the Apple logo and everything, and it doesn't look as cool, so if I can find a clear one, that would be great. It says ultra-wideband AirTag, designed by Apple in California, assembled in China, and I gotta say I'm a big fan of the design that they went with. This nice stainless steel with an Apple logo right in the middle, and then the other side is just plain white. It almost looks like a Mentos. Super, super small. It's probably the size of maybe like a bottle cap. Then in here it just says to update to the latest iOS, and then also you just have to hold it near your device. So let's go ahead and give that a try. Alright, so let's set it up. So you just bring the AirTag right near the device you want to connect it to, and then boom, there you go. A little bit of a pop-up, says AirTag. We'll hit connect, and then you get a whole bunch of options already. You get things like backpack, bike, camera, handbag, and then this one, which I think a lot of people are going to use the AirTags for, which is their keys. But if you don't see the item that you want to actually track, you just go to custom name and then type in whatever you want to label it as. Let's just go with keys for the test, and there we go. Super easy. You connect it to your Apple ID as well. I just didn't want to show that because it shows my phone number and email. So right here, so it says Austin's keys, so they're with me because it's actually this AirTag. So we've got precision finding, we've got sounds when we get close by, and directions in maps. And then when you go to your Find My app, it tells you that it's at my house, which is right here. So let's say I lost the AirTag, I hit this. It makes a sound to let you know where it is. You can get notifications when it's found, and then you can also put it in lost mode. So like, let's say I lost my keys. I put my phone number on it, so if someone finds it, then my number is going to pop up, and I can actually put a message on it as well. You can also rename the item as well, and you can remove it entirely, and it gives you the battery life of the AirTag as well. Now let's go put my keys somewhere in the house and try to find it. Alright, so let's find this bad boy. Okay. Six meters away, roughly. 5. Straight ahead. Oh boy. Oh, that's actually pretty accurate. 1 meter. It's in the guitar. So let's see what it says. 0.2 meters. Must be in the guitar. I can't seem to get the AirTag out of the guitar. Oh, found it. Now after putting it inside of an object like a guitar, I realized it doesn't do this, but once you're actually like very, very close to it, it says here, with the animation of the AirTag spinning around again. But it was really accurate in finding the AirTag itself. Honestly, I would say it was harder getting the AirTag out of the guitar versus actually finding it with the app. So I'm going to go hide the AirTag, and then my brother is going to go try and find it. Okay, maybe in this basket thing. Put it in the corner so you can't really like see it. What are you doing? Okay, try to find it. Go. Is it giving you directions yet?
Oh, 23 meters.
Okay, try to find it.
18. There we go.
Oh, if he can do it, anyone can. Daisy, you want to try? You want to try, buddy? You want to try? Come on, AirTags, 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 AirTags. So guys, that's pretty much it for the initial unboxing and review of the Apple AirTag. I think it's going to sell really, really well, and it's going to help a lot of people track down those lost devices. Like I said, I'm not really someone who loses their devices, but having something like this around is definitely going to save me a headache that'll probably happen down the line at some point. And after using the AirTag for a couple of hours, I really only have one negative with it, and that negative is that it scratches really easily on the stainless side. So I would definitely recommend to put it inside of an accessory that's going to protect that side of the metal if you don't want any scratches on your AirTag. One other thing to keep in mind is there's roughly a 1-year battery life that comes with the AirTag, and then you can buy a replacement battery after that. And so far I'm actually really enjoying the AirTag. Right now in Ontario we're in a lockdown, so I don't really have a big chance of losing my devices since I'm just locked down at home. But once things start to open up near the end of May, I'm probably going to put a few AirTags on some of my items just so I never actually lose them, and I'll be able to track them and find them. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the unboxing of the Apple AirTag. Leave a comment down below if you guys are going to pick up some AirTags for yourself, and if you are, what items are you going to be placing them on? I think a lot of people are going to choose keys or a backpack, but let me know down below. But for now, that's the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you like and subscribe. I hope you guys all have a great day, and I will see you guys in the next video.